The bumper sits in the bottom of your nail gun cylinder. The rubber bumper acts as a stop for the piston. The piston strikes the bumper at the bottom of its travel, which stops it and absorbs its energy. Over time, the rubber bumper will begin to harden and eventually will crack or crumble. Replacing the bumper is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cap from the nail gun. Now watch me remove the cylinder. With the cylinder and piston assembly removed, now I can remove the bumper and plate. Now I can install the new bumper. The plate fits into the recess on the underside of the bumper. Then I'll reinstall the bumper and plate. As I install this assembly back into the gun, I need to make sure I install the driver with the opening at the bottom of the housing. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the cap. First the gasket, then I align the cap and secure it with the screws. And now you know how to replace the bumper in your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.